It's not an easy certification to obtain. It was quite rigorous, to say the least. It kind of felt like we spent a semester doing a college thesis. We started the process in June of last summer and spent months really laying out all of our internal processes, from recruiting, safety training, sustainability efforts, internal operations, all of our processes. We spent a lot of time evaluating our commitment to our customers through software-based inspections. We did doing on-site walkthroughs, cleaning checklists, and worked through CIMS to really further develop our processes to really provide an overall service level that goes above and beyond to our clients. Preparing for the on-site audit and client site audits took efforts from basically our entire company. We had the cleaning staff involved, we had our quality control managers involved, operational managers, our sales team, IT, our managing partners. Everybody had to be involved to really meet the goals of this CIMS certification.